Okay, guys, so I literally accidentally did that, ended my video, so I'm gonna quickly finish this one. So let's start. Go to your dog's food door. Open the first lock. Now that the first lock is open, go to the second lock. Now get the bowl. Then go to bed. Put the bowl on the ground. Get the food. Get a second scoop in case, or if you want. Then put inside. And that's it. That's how you get your food for your dog. Do 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 do. Dog guide. Now get your dogs in the crate. Then shut the door. Then lock the first lock. Then lock the second lock. And there you have it. The end of Puppy Power Part 57. This one's probably gonna get a lot of views. So now let's end this over here and watch my dogs while they eat. 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 While my dogs eat and drink their food. So hope you guys like that one. I know that's kind of funny, but maybe inappropriate, but just so you know. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.